Hey learner, this is Nileshhanumantborate. So in this video we are going to see the by default layout in Android, that is the constraint layout. So this is a layout on Android that gives you adaptable and flexible way to create views for your applications. So this layout, which is now the default layout in Android Studio, so they give you many ways to place objects. You can constrain them to their container, to each other, or to guidelines. This allows you to create large, complex, dynamic and responsive view in a flat hierarchy. It even supports animations. So this layout is used to define a layout by assigning constraint for every child view or widgets relative to other view presents. So this layout is similar to relative layout but with more power. The aim of constraint layout is to improve the performance of applications by removing the nested views with a flat and flexible design. A view inside the constraint layout has handles on each side which are used to assign the constraints. So let's see the one example. So here we expand this view. So see here, every program have a default layout is that the constraint layout. So this is your activity main.xml. So see here, we split this section. So see, this is your the constraint layout. So this is the namespace, tools, application name, width height is that the match parent. So this is tool context, that is the main activity, and this is your text view which is by default. So see, constraint bottom, left, right, top all have the default value, that is the parent value. So text is that the hello world text. So see, this is your design mode. So if you click this section, so now we are going to separately in design mode. So this is your attribute component, that is the text view. So now here we select this text view. So see here, this selected highlighting diagrammatical view. So there are the three types of handles. So first one is that the resizable handle. So it's present on the four corner. So this is, and which is used to resize the view but keeping its constraint intact. Second one is that the side handle. So it's a circular handle, this one, which present on the center of each side. So it's used to set the top, left, bottom and right constraint of the view. So if you shift this circle to this side, see, this is automatically going to this. So like this way we move this text view component. Then third one is that the baseline handle. So it's used to align the baseline with another text view in the layout. So this is the, so it shows the margin set for the each side of the view. It also allows to change the size of the view by toggling between the following modes. So see, if this is selected, so see, this is the constraint widgets diagrammatical view. So see, there are again different types of shapes. So see here, by using this way you can also move this text view component. Say same here by using this way. So this is a circle. So see here, if you select this line, so this line indicate the any size. So this is similar to the match parent, and this arrow, so see, this arrow is used, so this wrap the view to fill its content, and this arrow match constraint. So this is similar to the match parent. Okay, and the default line is that, so this is, so this allows us to set the constant width and the height. So there are two other tools, auto connect and the inference. So see here, this is the enable auto connection to parent. So this is the auto connection to parent. So this feature can be enabled by clicking Android constraint layout example as the name suggests. So AutoConnect create the constraint automatically between the two neighboring views. So here there are only one components. So next one is that this one is that the inference. So the inference engine create the constraint among all the elements in a layout. So the inference engine try to find and create the optimal connection based on various factors such as the positions of the widgets and their. So on next upcoming video we are using this constraint layout much more time. So when we use the multiple elements or components in a one program, then you can get the more details about this. So on next video we will see the UI widgets. So first one is that the button. So button and its action or the event we'll see on next video. So till if you have any queries, then comment on our query in comment box. Like and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.